we go to a K through 8 school. So basically we have a bunch of younger people and they drew drawings for us of different animals and their favorite animal. And we did this last year, and usually the older kids go on Tinkercad and design the animal that they drew.
Yeah, the 8th graders usually do it for the kindergartners as like a welcome to the school gift. And you choose which one you want to do. Like you choose if you want to do like a turtle or a bear. And then you have the name of the kindergartner and you design it on Tinkercad. And then you send it to the 3D printer for it to be printed to be given to them. I think it's really cool how you're able to design something on the computer and then it's able to get 3D printed at something like physical, not just like it to be like printed 2D. It's really cool for it to be 3D.
Yeah, I agree. Like after the process that is being made, we usually go in and get rid of the structures and different stuff. And I just think it's really cool, like holding something that people made.